Hey everybody, this is Cinco coming to you on Thursday, June 26th, 2025. Hey, I remember today's date. With your Bitcoin news update. Our article we're going to talk about today is this one here that's on Coindesk.com. That it came out yesterday afternoon after my daily, but it talks about the basically the U.S. housing lending programs, the federal lending programs, Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, talking about using crypto as assets. So we'll talk about that in a minute, but first let's go ahead and run the numbers. So exchange rates today at US fiat dollar price, $107,485 per Bitcoin. That's just up a tad over yesterday, but still in the green. 1 year range is 74% in the positive. If you're one of my mining brethren and you're lucky enough to hit one of those blocks and get the 3.125 Bitcoin subsidy, you're looking at a payday of $335,891. And for those of you that stack sats, you're looking at 930 sats per US dollar spent. Come on, there we go. I was clicking the button, nothing was happening. So hash rate, global hash rate is at 825 exahash per second. That's still kind of low compared to what we were at recently in our highs. So let's go ahead and look at the mempool real quick. Boop, there we go. Waiting for it to update. Yesterday we were looking at about a 8%, 8.5% downturn. Now with 2 days left, we're still looking at about a 7% downturn. That just means a bump in mining fees for and mining. Geez, my brain today, guys. That means a bump in mining rewards for those of us who do mine. So nothing exciting going on here, just the normal big players. So we've got that. Now let's go ahead and talk about this article real quick. So basically, what this is saying here is Bitcoin rises. So this is an article by Tom Carreras, edited by Stephen Alfer. This is on CoinDesk.com. Came out yesterday. You can go over there and look at it for yourself. But Bitcoin rises past 107K as FHFA's Pulte orders crypto consideration and mortgage application. Basically saying that if you hold crypto, then that can be looked at as an asset for better rates when you're trying to get a Freddie Mac or a Fannie Mae loan. Now the problem is they're not saying they're not going to be considering any type of coin that is held in a cold wallet. So basically, it has to be held like on an exchange. So again, showing that we are so early into this thing, guys, that the government still does not get it. So hopefully they take a look at this. They talk to some people who know what they're talking about and they can actually adjust that. But yeah, basically they're just looking at what's on public exchanges and whatnot, your Coinbases and things like that. So again, just showing that while the government is trying to uh, get into this crypto thing and move us forward, they still really don't know what they're talking about with it yet, and they're fumbling their way around. So hopefully we can see that adjusted here in the near future. But other than that, that's what's going on today. I hope you all have a good Thursday. I'll catch you tomorrow for the end of the week. We'll talk about Bitcoin. And otherwise, you guys have a great day. This is Cinco signing off.